Hey guys, today I'm opening an fgteev mini TV. So it came with a minifigure, 2 stickers, a flashlight, a fake spray, and one set. Okay, let's open it right now. And let's open the. Let's see, it came with 2 stickers. Okay, so it came with stickers. Alright, I'm gonna see how I can open this. Well, I'll just putty and then what did it came with? No, it came with a. Oh, this one's a flashlight. Okay. Okay. Man, this is gonna be harder than I thought. I'll be right back. So I actually found out how to open it. So this is a flashlight. I hope this does not make me blind. Alright, now time to open the big. I don't know the gurky turkey now, cause we'll see. Whenever it's the gurky turkey. Okay, I'm just trying to. There we go. Now let's see who it is. I don't know if the gurky turkey. Oh, it's the classic gurky turkey. It's like black and white. It's a gurky turkey black and white. It's definitely gurky turkey, but it's black and white. And the stickers. So we got Mike and Lexi right here. I can get so we got Mike and I don't know if it's Lexi or the mom or because let me know within the comments below who you think who it is. And finally open the hoodie. Cause I'm not really a fan of hoodies, but I'll see if alright, there's the putty right here. Oh, the putty, yeah. Here we go. Okay, come on. Get in there. What? Man, I guess I'm gonna have to wash my hands after this. Cause I don't. These putties. Man, this is hard. No wonder it's hard. It's really hard to get it out. Oh, got all my nails. Man, this is gonna be harder than I thought. Oh. Oh, I think you gained the putty out. Maggie, what did you do? I didn't do anything. Maggie. I'm sorry, I'm just talking to myself. What did you do? What did you do? What did you do? What did you do? Come on. I'm trying to get the patty out. Alright, hopefully I get all the patty out. Wait. I got some, but I need to get that patty out. I need my own. There we go. Patty there. Alright, so we got the putty, most of it. So let's see. I wonder what happens if I do the flashlight, I think. Because it is like... Wait, it looks like it's turning pink. Yeah, it is turning pink. Or purple. I'm trying to get some... yeah, it's pink already. But it's not doing that much. It's not really doing that much. I wonder if I can flatten. No, I can't. Let me just put in the... Try to flatten this. Go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's about pink enough. Looks like it's pink enough. So that's it. The fgteev toys. So things to go. And maybe if I get 2 more stickers, I can make a fgteev Thomas. Like, so thanks you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time in an unboxing video or Thomas video or Steven Universe or Ninjago, wherever it is.